Today, I'm going to be making my favourite bread. It's delicious, simple to make, you can add any flavour, and I'm going to show you how you make it. First, add AP flour to a bowl, make a small well in the middle, add yeast, salt, and half of the water. Now mix until it slightly comes together. Add the rest of the water and mix until it all comes together. At this stage is when you flavour the bread, and here are some of my favourite combos. Sun-dried tomato and rosemary, caramelised onions, olives and thyme, sharp cheddar cheese, caraway and roasted garlic and parmesan, and bacon and cheddar. And here I've chosen caraway and roasted garlic. Next, add caraway seeds and garlic. And make sure the garlic is like a paste. Now with clean hands, mix well. Next, add flour to your work surface. Take out the dough. And knead for 10 minutes. Add a small amount of flour to the bowl. Add the dough. Place a towel over the bowl. Now place the dough somewhere warm for an hour. After an hour, the dough should have doubled in size. Again, add flour to your work surface. And knead 2 to 3 minutes. For my bread, I'll be using an old pizza pan. Fantastic for this type of bread, but you can also use a sheet pan. Next, flour the pan. Add the dough. Place a towel over. And proof for 1 more hour. Gently tuck in the sides and place in the oven. To get a really nice golden brown finish on the bread, spray water on the bread once in a while, or make egg wash. So there you have it, that's my lockdown bread, so simple to make, so delicious, and you can add any flavour. Thanks guys.